Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make Mongolian beef. Before we get into the recipe, I want to let you know that this is not my recipe. I got this recipe from Stacey Cook channel. Oh my gosh, if you love Chinese food, you're going to love her channel. So I'm going to leave it linked below. Also, you want to go ahead and prep all your ingredients. You want to make sure you have everything ready because this recipe goes by really fast. Okay, for this recipe, I'm using 10 ounces of beef that I thinly slice, and I use a cut from the tri-tip. And when you slice your beef, you want to make sure you slice it against the grain. That will ensure that your meat is tender. To season the meat, you're going to need 1.5 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of dark soy sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 4 teaspoons of cornstarch, 5 teaspoons of water, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You're going to mix that really well until everything is combined. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. When I was filming this video, it was snowing that day, and you know we don't get a lot of snow here in Texas, but oh my goodness, it was snowing that day. It was so cold and so nice. Okay, now that everything is mixed together, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil to that, and 2 teaspoons of regular cooking oil. Mix that really well. The next thing you're going to prepare is your cornstarch mixture. So you're going to need 1/2 cup of water, and you're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch to that and mix that really well. Like I said in the beginning, you want to make sure you prepare all your ingredients and have it ready because it will go by so fast. To my pan set over medium-high heat, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. To that, I'm going to add a 1/8 teaspoon of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half of a bell pepper that is sliced, and half of an onion that is sliced and separated. Stir that and let that cook for 30 seconds. Remove it from the heat and set it aside. I'm going to add another tablespoon of oil to the pan and 4 slices of ginger. Let that sizzle in the oil for a little bit to release some of the flavor. Next, I'm going to add the beef to the pan and let that cook until everything is almost brown. As you can see, the meat is still a little bit pink, so now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to add 4 cloves of minced garlic to that. I'm adding 4 green onion, and I'm only adding the stem part of the green onion. I'm going to use the rest later on. And 4 chili peppers. Give that a stir to mix everything together. And if you want it spicy, you can cut the chili pepper and then it will be spicy. Next, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce to that, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, and half teaspoon of oyster sauce. Give that a good mix to get everything nice and coated. Next, I'm adding the cornstarch mixture, and make sure you give that a stir because cornstarch always settles to the bottom. Now you're going to add back the green pepper and onion to the pan, and the leafy part of the green onion. Remember, I told you we were saving that, so that's where you put that in. And also a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir that really well and it will thicken up right in front of your eyes. Oh my goodness, you guys, I just can't believe I can make this at home. I love Chinese food and I love Mongolian beef. Oh my gosh, this flavor is so good. So thank you, Cook Stacey Cook. If you love Chinese food, then you're going to love her channel. She has some of the best recipes, so go check it out. This was so hot. Oh my gosh, I was afraid I was gonna burn myself, but it was just absolutely delicious. I had some fresh rice cooking in my rice cooker waiting for us. I really hope you give this one a try. You're not going to regret it. I have to say though, it's a little time consuming preparing all the ingredients, but once you have that, you're not going to regret it. I mean, it's worth it because it's just so good. Oh, look at all that snow. Look how beautiful it is. That is so special for us here in Dallas because we don't get much snow, maybe 1 or 2 times for the year, and that's it. With all that snow, we even got a chance to light our fireplace and enjoy the fire. Thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.